Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick lesson. That's the riff from She. That's the main riff that's playing through the whole song. E power chord. Then we're going to play the G, but we're going to play it like just the top part of an open G. And then we do the same thing with the C. And then we're going to play B over D. Okay, at the beginning of the song, there's a couple riffs in E. So that's just open G and open B, and then hammer on the B at the third, and then I think they do it again, and they play at the fifth on the B, and then the main riff the guitar's playing though is this one. What that is G string at the fourth, and that gives you the same note as your open B string. Then what you do is you play them both, and you bend the G string up. So that kind of creates a cool effect. That's how you play She by Pretty Sick. By the way, I have to say, Pretty Sick is the band that is most requested for lessons on my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.